Meaning of F. Scott Fitzgerald.
F. Scott Fitzgerald.
F. Scott Fitzgerald.
F. Scott Fitzgerald.
F. Scott Fitzgerald. F. Scott Fitzgerald is an American author who lived in the early 20th century. He is best known for his novel, The Great Gatsby, which is considered a classic of modern American literature. Fitzgerald's work often deals with the themes of youth, wealth, and the corruption that can come with both. He was part of the lost generation of writers who were disillusioned by the chaos of World War I. Fitzgerald's writing style is characterized by its poetic language, lyrical descriptions, and emotional intensity. His work continues to be studied and enjoyed by readers around the world.